I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the pieces. I just been married to double, cause I got up on me and four inside another leader. Time the peasant and run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the people, ducking the birds, sending out the leaves. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them.
Hi everybody, so right now I'm starting this video off a little crazy because I'm about to go get my lashes done, but I have literally like 10 more minutes left until I have to go. Good thing we got a grace period with the lash tech because I gotta go. But I just took a shower, you know, took my shower. I'm about to brush my teeth, put on my deodorant, wash my face, brush my hair. I took my hair out last night, so it's gonna be looking a little crazy. But we're not gonna talk about it because I'm doing my hair tomorrow, so not too much. Not too much. So yeah. I'm looking crazy. Safe to say I am looking crazy. But it's okay because this hair is to be done. It's gonna be done tomorrow. So I don't really care too much.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the group of 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it.
This is the fit. Excuse the mirror. It's very much giving Hobolicious. Out of baby row, but definitely giving Hobolicious. Definitely giving, you know, what's that word? What's that movie? Step Up 2, very much. But it's okay because my lashes definitely be looking like a baddie, and once my lashes look like a baddie, I'm looking like a baddie. So that's all that really matters today.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. But right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap me up. I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, play, right around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I got you.
lashes are done, guys. This is them, top and bottom lashes. Yeah, that girl. Yeah, school is not ready for me. These people, they're not prepared. Yeah, that girl. Yeah. So guys, I just got off of work. Don't mind how I look. My hair is in a low bun. I just look an entire mess right now. Don't worry, I have my hat on, so I wasn't looking this crazy at work. But I just got off of work. Like I said, my appointment's at 6. It is currently 3:54. I got off work at 3:30. And yeah, so I currently have 2 hours and an hour and 30 minutes to do my hair and style my wig. Look at my wig, guys. Let me show you. It's about to get installed right now. I washed it and everything last night before, well, after I ended the vlog yesterday. Well, after I didn't record yesterday. So yeah, this is it. My ginger wig looks crazy now, but looks better in person. So yeah, I'm just gonna install this right now because, like I said, that's what I need to do. Don't have time to talk. So yeah, peace.
I just been ballin' out every season. Know some niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cause I gotta pull me a 4 inside another leader. Time the peasant and run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the people, ducking the birds, sending out the eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch Kevin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a dealer. Young nigga pulling up inside the Bentley truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease. I remember dead sitting at the trap, about to call the plug, got a cop 3. Look up the Pablo Escobar money, meet the Chapo, that's my top 3. Bitch, I was serving the sidewalk, then I cop and drop, hop in the street. You can't name a young nigga that's hot as me. All my niggas do murders and robbery. Got about 20 racks in the robbing G. Niggas thinking I won off the lottery. When I hop in the push start with the pounds, niggas know that it ain't no stopping me. Out of town, champ like Mayweather got.
So guys, I just finished my hair. It's put up right now, but I'm gonna show you guys when it's down. It is so cute, laid. Ginger, your girl is ginger again. I'm feeling back to my old self now because now I'm looking cute again, and you can see the complete difference between me and my sister and who's better. So I just think we all know who's the better sister. But yeah, I'm on the way to get my nails done, so I'll see you guys when I'm there. And yeah.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, it's just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
me. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in a parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but
my camera is literally dying, but I just got back home. It is 9:28, and my nails, these are them. Hold on, my camera. So I was trying to show you guys before I got really interrupted. My nails, there we go. My nails, they're so cute. They're inspired by Sylvia Resurrection. I have a headache right now, a bad one, but it's okay. I'm gonna take some Advil and some Tylenol, and I'll be good. But first, before I go to sleep, because I think this is gonna be the last thing I do before I go to sleep, I'm gonna do a face mask. Yeah, I just got out of the shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, and everything. So yeah, straighten my room up, change my sheets and everything, because I just want to wake up and go to sleep comfortably.
With you tonight is on a island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you.
Now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and yeah, but I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be tuned for my next video, which will be my first day of school, which is tomorrow morning. So yes, I have to go to sleep now because you know I gotta get my beauty rest. And yeah, love you guys. Thank you for 500 subscribers, 526 subscribers as of right now. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.